Hello everyone, in this video I walk you through the step to install and use Visual Studio Code.
First, open your web browser and go to the official Visual Studio Code website. On the home page, click on the download button to access the download page.
Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded installer file and double-click to run it. After that, the Visual Studio Code Setup wizard will appear. Click Next to allow permission to process.
After then, once the installation is finished, click on the Finish button to exit the setup wizard, and last, launch the Visual Studio Code.
Alright guys, thank you for your attention. We hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next chance. Goodbye.